Hi, I'm Liz, and these are the Nanos Vet Fresh Breath Dental Strips for dogs. Thank you to the brand for sending these to me for the purposes of this video. Now, I have two rescues, and you're going to see Coco a lot in this video. She is my dog. I've always been afraid to do any sort of dental care with her because she's not the biggest fan of people messing with her mouth. When we take her to the vet, she is the one who gets a little bit of a muzzle when she has to do shots, not so much with her mouth, but shots or those sorts of things. So I was really excited that she let me use these breath strips with her. They are, I think that proves a very low stress situation, even for your most nervous dogs. But once you get in there, you see that there are 10 in each of these boxes. They come like this. They've got this easy to open corner, and then you get this little breath strip, and you'll see these are really easy. So when you get it up close to their gums, they stick immediately, right? So you're not messing with trying to get it like into their mouth. And then once it's there on their gums, it actually dissolves really cleanly. So you don't have any mess. You're not trying to mess with powders. You're not trying to get them to like chew something and make sure they get all of it. It just sticks to their gums and dissolves right away. So this is something that I'm really excited about because we've not had the opportunity to really dive into dental care with the dog because of their anxiety. Sometimes rescues from different shelters come in with different amounts of what you can do with their dental care. And so this is an exciting new step for us. So if you're looking for something that's low stress, it's easy to carry in your purse, it's vet approved for your dog's fresh breath, I highly recommend these. And I hope that helps.